Hi everyone, welcome to Missy's Guidance and Tarot. I'm your host, Missy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, as that's the best way you can energetically donate to my channel. So I'm just going to come on here and do a random pull and see what messages comes out. Before I got on video, I made up some random song about the moon. But anyways, I'm just going to come on here and do a random video, and then we're going to go from there. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you. All right, Spirit, overall energy for death. Guilt. Someone could feel guilty someone could feel guilty because something ended. And now they're doubtful that something can be reborn. I don't know. They're in doubt now. But someone feels guilty about an ending. I'm learning that endings are merely beginnings. I release any belief that no longer assists my soul's growth. Yeah. So or if someone feels guilty, if someone doesn't, so for some of you, right? I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. Forgive me. Somebody feels guilty for an ending. For others of you, someone no longer feels guilty. Someone's getting over the guilt of an ending, if that makes sense. Like someone is letting go of the guilt because an ending occurred between them and someone or something. So I hope that makes sense. So for some of you, someone feels guilty that there was an ending that occurred. And for others of you, someone is getting over the guilt of an ending occurring. I hope I said that right. All right. Okay. Yeah. There's some doubt here. There's definitely doubt, but the Death card says, I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. All right. What would you have me look at, Spirit? Yeah. Could be because of choices. There could have been an ending to the lovers. Because of someone's choices, there was an ending that occurred. Yeah, they became the wounded warrior. Now they want to come forward and talk. They want to move forward. It talks about unstoppable forward movement. It talks about communication. They want to communicate about a Two of Cups. Okay, so we have the lovers and we have the Two of Cups. This is a twin flame right here. The lovers and the Two of Cups, yeah, twin flame. Okay, Mr. Twin Flame, Miss Twin Flame, what you want to say? Tell me. There was some unexpected bad news. Oh dear. Something didn't work. They got unexpected bad news. Something didn't work. What was that? Because someone was overly controlling, or someone was controlling. Tyrant. Letting go of people, places, and things that no longer serve them. They want to either bring balance, or they could be letting go of an earth angel. Or they could be letting go of people, places, and so hold on. All right, hold on. So there was some unexpected bad news. Something did not work because someone was overly controlling, right? Basically a tyrant, right? They're letting go of people, places, and things that no longer serve them and wants to bring balance, but they worked against someone. For others of you, someone could have been overly controlling and they let go of an earth angel and worked against that person. Take it how it resonates. What else, Spirit? Yeah, the secret got it revealed. Some secret or whatever it is got revealed. Something got exposed. Could be that they worked against, could be that they let go of an earth angel and worked against them, or that they're letting go of people, places, and things that no longer serve them and want to bring balance, but they worked against somebody and the secret got revealed. What else, Spirit? Yeah, the secret was revealed that this person was out cheating. Yeah, could be for money, money contentment. So they were out cheating, possibly sleeping with people for money. Yikes. So this person was sleeping with people for money. Oh boy. What else, Spirit? Yeah. Oh. Okay, clarify the Nine of Cups because that's probably why they were selfish. They were being smug with it. They were pleased with what they were doing. They thought that was the right way to do something. I don't know, but somebody was sleeping with people for money. Oh Lord, and it got exposed. Yeah. Now they're crying over spilt milk. They're letting go of regret. Who is this, Spirit? Who is this that slept with people for money? Yeah, they cast a lot of illusions because they refused to change or they didn't want to change. Who is this, Spirit? I'm hearing haunted. Now they're haunted. Who is this? Yeah, they can't sleep. They're haunted. They can't sleep. Probably crying themselves to sleep at night. Yep. Now they have being forced to reevaluate their life. So this person was sleeping with people for money and they were content with that. So they were a prostitute selling themselves. Whether this is a male or a female, I don't know. Now they have no choice but to reevaluate their life. Yeah, they've fallen from grace. There was no victory in what they did. Yeah, and they're angry. They're angry about something. I don't know. What are they angry about is beyond me. Somebody was either a prostitute. Somebody could have been a prostitute. Oh, Jesus. And the secret got revealed. Now they stressed out because everybody know their business. Now they want to communicate because they got ghosted in a Two of Cups situation. Oh, wow. A Queen of Swords in reverse. Someone wants to communicate that they ghosted a Two of Cups situation with a Queen of Swords in reverse because of an Ace of Pentacles. And they closed out that cycle. They're heartbroken because there was a betrayal. They went back to that person. Yikes. So, who was the prostitute? Who was the one that got found out they were sleeping around with people for money? That's justice, Spirit is saying. That's the justice. They're angry. They've fallen from grace and they're angry. Angie, I don't know. Could somebody, Andy, maybe someone could name Andy, someone could name Angie, I don't know. The justice, somebody was married, somebody was in a marriage and had a love affair and was having an affair. That's the justice spirit is saying. Somebody was married and was having a love affair, and now they've become the wounded warrior. So somebody was married and was having love affairs, and now they're the wounded warrior. Now they want to communicate. They were sleeping with people for money. What the hell? Who is this Seven of Swords in reverse, Ten of Pentacles spirit? Who is this? Who is this person? Who is this person, spirit? They closed out a cycle, I know that. They closed out a cycle with that. Somebody was sleeping with people for money. Who is this? They want to heal because they want to come back. So they want to heal. So they closed out a cycle and they want to heal things because they want to come back. Who the hell was being who was out here being a prostitute? Prostituting themselves for money. What in the actual hell is going on my board tonight? Yo, okay. Okay, can I get some more message on this Seven of Swords? They want equal give and take. What the frig? They want to communicate. Who? Okay, so y'all notice the only people that came out here with faces, right, was the Emperor in reverse. Y'all know that, right? The Emperor and the Temperance. Those are the only two people that came out on the board. Somebody was sleeping with people for money, yo. And now they in regret because they created a lot of illusions because they didn't want to change. And now they're haunted and having sleepless nights. Because now they have to reevaluate their life. Seven of Pentacles, they looked at all of what they invested in. Could be up to what, 6 different women, men. I don't know why I said women. This could be a man. Up to 6 different people, and they got nothing in return. So they was just sleeping around with people and got little to nothing for that. They've fallen from grace, and now they're angry. They're angry, and that's the justice spirit said, because this person was married and was having love affairs. But y'all notice I'm asking who is this person that was sleeping with people for money, but they're not showing their face. That's the thing. Okay. So that's how you want to play? All right. Right to the Kipper we go. It's the thief. Who is this thief? This thief is going to court. Could be on with an official person, or going to court because of an official person. Family. Oh, wow. So this thief is going to court with this official person because they have a family together and they were married. But someone's going to get great fortune because they're going to get a message which is going to lead to sudden wealth. This privileged lady and this mature man had family secrets and they're now in despair. Or this privileged lady Where is she at? This privileged lady was involved with with a mature man, and there were family room secrets, and now she's in despair because someone's on their journey and it led to a tower. This main female was working hard and in poverty, or is going to be working hard and because she's in poverty. It could be the privileged lady was prostituting herself for money. Yo, please do not tell me this man married a prostitute, yo. Do not tell me that. Because this person was sleeping around for money to live a lifestyle. And now she in regret because she was creating illusions because she didn't want to change. Or, wait a minute, hold up. This man, okay, somebody was, oh, I'm so confused. I'm sorry, y'all. Somebody was sleeping around for money, right? Now they in regret because all that glitters wasn't gold. So if this is a man that was married a prostitute, he could have had a choice between two people and it didn't work out. He chose the prostitute. For others of you, this could be a woman that married a prostitute, something like that. This person was married and having love affairs. What in the actual hell? Who is why are they not showing their face, bro? All right. Okay, spirit. Can I please have the tea? What's going Okay. Main male. What's going on with this main male? What's going on with this main male, spirit? This main male is working hard, toiling labor with a mature man. Regarding a message, because they received a message. Someone got a message. That's a certified letter about a privileged lady. And ended things. So this main male was working hard with a mature man to get a message about a privileged lady, which caused an ending. That's for some of y'all. For others of you, this main male was working hard with a mature man to get a message to a privileged lady about an ending. And if this is not an ending, this is a physical death. And I apologize to anyone that lost someone. But now I'm looking at it, it's like this main male is working hard with this mature man to get a message to this privileged lady about an ending. Somebody's in despair. This main male could be in despair because he probably was married to a prostitute. She was out here sleeping around for money. Yeah. A family, great fortune. So he's in despair because he has a family, or he's in despair because of a community and a marriage. Great fortune, which led to great fortune. So he married someone. So he married someone for money. Maybe he could have married someone for money. Sudden wealth, yeah. Somebody's in despair because of a community. He married someone for great fortune, sudden wealth. He married someone for money. What else, Spirit? Expectations. Well, that was the expectation. This mature woman, so he expected that this mature woman was a wealthy man. Oh, wow. Okay, so he thought this mature woman had money that he was dating. Okay, now the messages are getting a little bit jumbled. Just give me a minute. Hold on. So someone's in this, all right, someone's in despair, right? This community, someone's in despair because of a community because he married someone thinking that there would have been great fortune and sudden wealth, which was the expectation. This mature woman and this wealthy man are in a courtship, and that's the gift. Someone's in poverty. So, wait. I'm confused. Oh, God. Give me the strength. So, okay. Oh, thank you, Spirit. Okay. Okay. I totally messed that up. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Forgive me. Take it how it resonates. So this main male is working hard with this mature man to either send a message, to get a message, send or get a message to a privileged lady about an ending, right? This main male sees this woman as a privileged lady. Despair community. So this community is going to be in despair because of a marriage which is going to lead to great fortune and sudden wealth, which is the expectation. This mature woman and this wealthy man is dating, is in a courtship. And is going to receive a gift. Who's in poverty, Spirit? In the distance horizon, unexpected income. So this mature woman and this wealthy man is in a courtship, right? And that's the gift. But they're in poverty. Or they're going to receive a gift because they're in poverty. In the distance horizon, it's going to lead to unexpected income. Okay? 2 more cards, Spirit, please, and thank you. Yeah, because of a courthouse. Something to do with a divorce. 1 more card. Message of concern. Because of a courthouse and a message of concern. Official person, thief, tower. This official person and this thief is going to go through a tower moment. This thief could be this main female. This could be the privileged lady right here. Because, again, there's secrets in the family room. Someone's on their journey, made a choice to get on their path. Someone's concerned about a child. High honor, false person, judication. This person of high honor, or this judge, or whoever this is, so it's high honor, false person, judication. They thought someone was of high honor, but they were a false person and now is going through judgment. This person is stuck, or they could have called judgment. This person is now stuck and in bad health. because of the changes, because they now have to work and they're in their thoughts. They have to get a job. So that's what's going on. So this was a prostitute. This woman was sleeping with people for money. Wow. That's why she didn't want to show her face, because she's embarrassed. That's why she didn't want to show her face in the tarot. She's embarrassed. She was sleeping around with people for money. She's a prostitute. And this wealthy man was dealing with her. And now she's claiming that he's the father to her child. So he's paying this woman money, not knowing if this child is his or not. But it says right here, this main male is working hard with this mature man to get a message. This privilege about a privileged lady and an ending. So either this privileged lady is gonna meet an ending. Oh my God, my head is starting to hurt. All right, Spirit. Someone wants to apologize. Oh, before I continue, distance horizon, Spirit. We're at 26. What's the distance horizon? Could be dealing with a Libra. It could be in 7 weeks or 7 months. Enjoy your time. Can I get 2 more cards, Spirit? Actually, 3 more cards. Alpha and Omega. You are free in the choices. You are free in the choice of the moment. So Alpha and Omega, beginning and the end. So this balance is being restored. Justice, Libra card speaks of justice. And the justice card is out here. Justice is being served. Balance is being restored. Because somebody was married and was also having love affair. So she was married to somebody and sleeping with people for money. 2727 on the counter when I said that. Can I get 2 more cards, please, Spirit? Something could be happening on the 4th. What's today's date? Today is the 3rd. You can carve something out. So this something could be happening in either 4 days. Something could be happening the 4th of a month, on the 4th of a month. Tomorrow is the 4th. The 4th of August, 2022, or something could be happening in 4 weeks. 1 more card, Spirit. 1 more card. 1 more time card. 1 more time card, Spirit. 1 more time card. Friday. So tomorrow is the 4th. Something could be happening Friday the 6th. Finalize something, just let it go. So let me see. When is the 6th? Today's the 3rd. Today's Wednesday. Come on. When is there Friday the 6th? Friday the 6th will happen on January 2023. January 2023 is Friday the 6th. So that's when, so something could be happening on the 4th, which is tomorrow, August 4th. Something could be happening involving a Libra. It could be happening in 7 weeks or 7 months. Something could be happening on the 4th, which is tomorrow, or 4 days from now, or 4 weeks from now. And then something could be happening on Friday the 6th that will happen in January. So that's the message there. All right, Spirit. Final messages to sum this whole thing up. Yeah, someone was a snake. Somebody was dealing with a snake. What else? Yep. Someone was lucky. But the snake could be lucky. The anchor in reverse. So I need to clarify that. What else, Spirit? So this snake could be lucky that someone could be stuck and coming up out of the this snake could be lucky someone is stuck, but they could be coming up out of the dark about something. This snake could have been lucky they got someone stuck. This woman with the rose. This bare naked man. Are on their path, yeah. So this woman with the rose, someone was a snake, but they're lucky. They're no longer stuck, I guess. Maybe that's what it is. So coming up out of the, okay, so I'm going to go back to saying that this in the upright is meaning someone is stuck. So what this is saying, someone was a snake, but is lucky that they're no longer stuck and is coming up out of darkness. This woman and this bare naked man is on their path. Maybe this bare naked man was the one that was sleeping around, but no, I think it was a woman. I don't know, I could be wrong. It could be both. Maybe both of them was sleeping around. What else, Spirit? Out here sleeping with people for money. They're on their path. Someone's getting a message. Someone's going to get a message because they're becoming wiser. Not to argue or not to cause strife with the lovebirds. Something about secrets, regarding the secrets. Not to argue or cause strife regarding the lovebirds' secret. Something like that. The lovebirds being a secret. Ah, thank you, Spirit. So someone was a snake, but is lucky they're no longer stuck. They're coming up out of darkness, right? This woman and this bare naked man are both on their path. Someone got a message, or someone's getting a message or got a message and has become wise not to argue because the lovebirds are secretly going through a tower moment. That's what's going on. All right, Spirit, what else do you want me to know? Yeah, because someone got cut off. The lovebirds are secretly going through a tower moment. What else? Yep, they got cut off because that DNA test was there. That child ain't his. So he dipped. What else, Spirit? Yep. Someone's writing a letter about a child or to a child. I don't know. Someone's writing a letter about a child. I'm hearing in the process of writing a letter about a child. I just heard that in the process of writing a letter. What else, Spirit? And a rat. So this letter is already whatchamacallit, it's underway, it's under construction. They're in the process of writing a letter. Okay? And an ending. Well, and a will maybe. Well, they want to heal something. Okay, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. They want to heal something because it's time. It's time for this mask. It's time because someone was wearing a mask and they need to illuminate things about a baby and apologize. They want peace. They want peace. So this person wants peace. So they feel guilty because of an ending. They feel guilty they caused an ending. So this woman with the rose and this man, they're both on their path now. So he's in the process of writing a letter about a child and a rat and an ending, or a child and a rat that caused an ending, and well, he wants to heal something. Or about a child and a rat, and which caused an ending, or there was an ending and will heal something. Should I? All right, Spirit. I'm going to close out this read. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Wow. Play. Beloved ones, it's time to set aside work for a while. Don't worry, we will oversee your responsibility to their completion. Playfulness, gaiety, and laughter will lift your energy so that you'll return to work with the renewed perspective and heightened energy. Play. All right, y'all. Don't forget to, yeah, there's nothing to worry about, Spirit is saying. There is absolutely nothing to worry about. These two people are now on their path. They're being guided. This man was involved with a thief that was sleeping with people for money. And she got found out because she ended up getting pregnant and was trying to pin it on this man. And he was guided to take a DNA test. He took the DNA test, the child wasn't his, and she got cut off. So that's why Spirit was like, someone's becoming wise and not argue because the lovebirds are secretly going through a tower because somebody got cut off because of a DNA test. And now this man is writing a letter about a child and a rat that caused an ending and will heal things. That's what Spirit is saying. He's gonna heal. He wants to heal things. So okay, we're gonna end the reading. Thank you.